This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Ideal floor plan and superior location in Fieldstone Loop, a 55-plus community in Lynden's premier Homestead Farms Golf Community is now available. Tucked inside the neighborhood with close proximity to the community center and all walking trails. Sought-after single-story offers easy, low-maintenance living. From the welcoming front porch to the gracious and spacious great room with open kitchen, this floor plan is all you need. Lots of counter space and additional cabinets for storage. Oversized windows allow for natural light. 2-bedroom, 2-bath is highly functional and in pristine condition. You will not have to do a thing to this home but move in, put your feet up and enjoy the rest of the day. Welcome home to the best that Lynden has to offer. For more information, review